Good morning, students. Welcome back to my class. I'm Chef Manish. Today we learn about the kitchen hierarchy or designation or the kitchen post of the chefs. What are the work of the chefs? What are the hierarchy and the position of the chefs? And we start with the apprentice or the trainee. The apprentice or the trainee, whose work the trainee comes, like when you go to the hotels for the IT, then you have to train in the kitchen. That down in the kitchen you have to learn in the kitchen. That time they will ask you to clean these things, clean that thing, or peel that things. The work of the apprentice or the trainee is to help the commis. So second one is the commis third. His work is to receive the good or the cleaning of the kitchens, or cleaning of the kitchen, or the work cutting work in the kitchens. Then comes the commis second. Commis seconds help the commis one in peeling, cleaning, or the cooking in the kitchens. And commis one is responsible for the cooking and maintaining the hygiene and everything in the one section of the kitchens. So now comes after commis third, commis second, and commis one, it comes to CDP. We call the chef de partie. Chef de partie is very important in every hotels. He is the very important chef or the person in the hotels. He is responsible for the one section. We already talked about the different section in the kitchen, like a pantry, hot kitchens, cold kitchen, butchery. In every section there is a one or two CDP. So his CDP responsibility and the work is to maintain his sections, to look after his sections. Like one CDP, just take an example. If one CDP work in the grill sections, what he has to do? He has to look after all the commis. His under him there are lots of commis working. So everything's the commis cook or cleaning, everything the CDP has to look. He is responsible for one particular section. It's not that he goes to the grill room or he goes to the butcher. In every section there is one or two CDP. So the CDP is responsible for only his section. All the work, cooked work, all the cleaning of the work, the CDP is responsible for his section. So CDP is a very chef de partie. So he is the very important person. He do most of the work. The cleaning of the sections, maintaining hygiene, cooking, everything. He's look for his sections. There are lots of CDP in one hotels. So after CDP there is a sous chef. We call the sous chef. So what is a sous chef? Sous chef is commis. All the commis report to the CDP in his section. So CDP is responsible for all the work cooked, all the work in his section. So CDP report to the sous chef. So in every section there is a CDP. So there are lots of sections, like there may be 7 or 8 sections in one kitchen. So all the CDP report to the sous chef. So sous chef, what he does? He manages all the work. Like one CDP, he works in his section. He can't go to the other sections. So what sous chef work is to maintain the work of the every section. So all the CDP report to the sous chef. So sous chef will look after the every section. He is look after the every section. So what he does? He just tastes the food, the quality of the food, the menu planning. He work with the manager or the executive chefs. He work with the menu planning. He looked after all the sections and all the CDP. So after sous chef, so what happens? Sous chef report to the executive chefs. So executive chef is the boss of the kitchens. Executive chef is the boss of the kitchen. Sous chef report to the executive chef. So he is the boss of his kitchen. So what happens? His work is to look after the costings, menu planning, the food quality, everything's just food tastings. So he is the boss. Everybody does the work. So he maintained the everything, the quality of the food, food costings. Now what happens? He is the boss of the kitchen. Now what happens in the now new trend comes. Like good hotels, good wholesale, they have the lots of chains. Just take it example from the Indian hotels, the Oberoi or the Taj, they have lots of chains in India and abroad. So what's happened? There the new trend comes, the corporate chefs. What happened? He looked after the brand of the Oberoi or the Taj Hotel. So what his work is to, he look after all the hotels. He look after all the hotels. He is the corporate chefs. The executive chef is the boss of the his hotel, but corporate chefs, he's looked after all the hotels in and around India or abroad India. So the corporate chef, the new trend comes, the corporate chefs. This is the hierarchy or the definition of the good 5-star hotels, 5-star hotels. In restaurants, what happens? Restaurants, you don't need all this kind of big. In restaurants, you don't need this number of the chef to work in the restaurant. You maybe need a less chef in the restaurants. So what happens? There you have the commis. You don't need commis 1, commis 2, commis 3. You should have a commis who is a helper, who works washing, cutting, or peeling, or the cooking. Then you have the CDP, who is responsible for his section in the restaurants. In restaurants also there may be lots of section: hot, cold, pantry. So there's a CDP in the restaurants. So after that, there may be or not be there is a sous chef, but there is an executive chef in the restaurant. So this is the hierarchy for the 5-star hotels. So I have said already about the restaurant also. You just have the commis who is helping, peeling, everything, and maybe cooking also, and the CDP is responsible cooking and everything's maintaining his sections. Then you have the maybe there is a sous chef or not. So some big restaurants, they have the sous chef, but small restaurants, cafeteria, they don't have the sous chef, so they directly go to the executive chefs. So there's executive chefs in the restaurants, and maybe you understand about the hierarchy in the kitchens. These are the chef, these are the hierarchy, commis. When you go to the work after the training, when you go to the works, and that time you'll get your designations or the post. Like you start from the commis third, then slowly and gradually your post increase. Then it takes 5 to 10 years to become a CDP, then sous chef, then 10 to 15 years to become a executive chefs. And I hope you learn about the hierarchy of the kitchens. That's all for today. Thank you. See you in next class.